Welcome to 2702 Yearling Street. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,119 square foot home is right by the Long Beach Exchange, Long Beach City College, and the Lakewood Country Club, and we're right in the heart of Lakewood Mutuals. This home is priced to sell at $710,000, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go check it out. As you enter the home, you step into this nice and bright living space, perfect for entertaining friends or family, playing games, or watching TV. I did want to mention this home has new paint, new AC, and a recently updated kitchen. Here in the dining space, which has original hardwood floors, very spacious, and flows perfectly right into the kitchen. Coming into the kitchen, I love the teal cabinets with the gray quartz countertops, and the backsplash ties everything together. Here we have bedroom number 1. Coming into the master, which is light and bright with these big windows, original hardwood floors, and this nice sized closet. Both of these rooms are really nice, but I'm really excited to show you the bonus room. Let's go check it out. Entering the bonus room and my favorite space in the house. On this side, we have the laundry room. Currently, we have this space set up as an office, but there are so many possibilities. You can make it a den, you can make it a game room, you can go as far as making this another bedroom. Lastly, we have the backyard. You have the grass here, which is perfect for pets. You have all of this space right here, perfect for entertaining with endless possibilities. If you're interested in this property, contact me directly and I'd be happy to set up a private tour. Subscribe, click here. More videos, click here.